What's up, my Xperia monkeys? Today we're going to be playing Expireape, which is a different game. It is called Expireape, where the monsters...
It's a game where there's 3 monsters in a cave. It's like Primal Fear, but scarier.
Yeah.
So let's play.
It's kind of like Primal Fear, but the monsters are really scary. And you know
You never even played Primal Fear, but it's like this game.
When I go closer to the mirror, I can literally see my brain. That's disgusting weird. So, I have 160
Yo,
coins.
I got 225.
So, right now, I am saving it for this sweater. Let me show you. This sweater. So, we're going to be playing this game. It is really fun, and it's really scary and really funny. Let's go. Oh, yeah. Pove. I'm distracting I'm distracting the monster while Aaron is trying to figure out find out where hospital is. You can be like this.
Wait, say on God if you're recording.
On God, I'm recording.
Alright. We're gonna be seeing that every video.
Bro, Pove, have you seen that video? Pove, you're distracting Lazan while your friends figure out the Easter egg.
Wait, you wanna see something weird?
What?
If I go to settings, go to experimental, put this.
I was upside down.
Bro.
Alright, let's go. Let's go to Black Goo Goo. Freak y'all.
I could fix it easily. We're just standing here.
Let's go.
Dude, it's sideways. Hold on, let me get out of the game and go back in. I'm glitched.
Oh.
No, because you know that setting? When you go upside down, it gets glitched.
Oh, yeah.
But it's very fun. It gets you sick, though.
If you guys wondering how I walk, this is how I walk in every monkey game.
VR is literally the king of making you sick.
Look, this is how I walk, guys, in like Gorilla Tag or everything.
No! I accidentally put the code
like this. If you want to know how to walk climbing, just go like this.
Dang it, you have to go back in.
So this is how much
put the code BOOB.
There's 1,000 points. I have 165, so it's better not to look at it because it goes quite fast.
Let's go, come on.
Alright, let's go. Warning, guys,
We gotta go
there's jump scares in here, so. Anyway,
they are really loud.
Let's go back to our little cave.
I have no clue. Behind you!
Whoa! God dang it, Aaron. Whoa! Hold on.
Dude, you skippy toilet!
Oh.
Dude, you gotta download Primal.
Okay. Oh! It's getting really
bro.
Woo. That's what I thought. And when you log in, you randomly go into random servers, so you don't have to worry about finding a server. Let's type this. Or Aaron's setting up his VR be like when he's like, okay.
Yo.
Alright, Aaron, let's go back. Let's try to go find our little cave, Aaron.
Something that's really annoying when I tell them to get out the way. They do not get out the way.
Alright, let's go. Aaron, I didn't know you liked Canada Dry. I like Canada Dry too. Oh yeah, by the way, if you guys want, I also have another friend. His name is Jello. I play with him on my TikTok. My TikTok is Skyrunner38, and I play with him. Which on my TikTok it shows you my YouTube, and I want you guys to want you to show him some love, guys. Go on TikTok and go to your search bar, and you're gonna want to type in Jello.
Dude, I can go in here.
I think his profile is a default guy, like one of the defaults, and he's like close up to the camera. But it should say Jello. I'll put it in the description. I'll put like where the comment is. I'll put it in there.
Yo,
but
we got an extra dude in OG.
But if you guys didn't know, he did have a No Plus 2, but his little cousin broke it. So
They make no noise.
So technically, yeah. So if you guys can go check out his TikTok and short and follow and give him a little follow and give him a little like, I really appreciate that. And make sure you guys like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Oh. Aaron, where'd you go? Freak you.
I died.
Freak you. So, yeah.
Kill me!
If you guys are going to check out his account, if that would be great. So make sure you guys put a shout out to Jello.
Yo, Maddox, I see you.
Where?
I'm outside of the map.
What am I doing?
Dang it,
What am I doing? What am I doing?
I have no clue where I went.
Aaron, what am I doing?
No, I died.
Oh, motherfucker. Come back to the other base, because I cannot find you. Okay, fine. Hey, motherfucker, come get me. And this is my first shout out. Let me just get my calculations real quick. Today's shout out goes to, can I get a drum roll please?
Dude, I'm stuck.
Jello, my cousin. If you guys didn't know, Jello's actually my cousin, Jayden.
Shout out to his cousin.
And Aaron like says my name like in every video, my real name. I don't know why.
Maddox.
So
my name is Booby.
Jayden Galvan, which is mine. Was my name too. We're cousins. Yeah, I have the same last name. I said. So if you guys can go check out our TikTok account, that'd be great. Aaron, where did you go?
Where are you?
I
went to a new area.
Base.
Yo, all three of the monsters are with me.
I'm at the base. Come to the base. So guys, make sure you guys go shout out to Jello equals Jayden Galvan, which is also my next name, Galvan.
Bro, Samaya, stop chasing me. Bro, wait, Maddox, put your volume at max.
What the frick?
Put your volume at max and I'll shut up.
Oh my god.
Put your volume at max.
It already is at max.
It is? Die.
Bro, okay.
Really loud.
So yeah, make sure you guys go check him out. Please go check out my cousin Jello equals Jayden Galvan.
You Maddox!
What? Oh.
Yo, I'm up here! I'm up here, I see you!
Come get me, motherfucker!
You see the light? I'm up there!
Oh, what am I doing?
In the cave!
What am I doing?
No, the light in the cave!
Oh.
Skip me
Aaron, where'd
forever!
you go? Come back!
Bro.
Let's go. Where you going? Let's go. Kind of like big scary. Oh my god! Oh. Oh. Oh.
You see those lights in the cave? I'm in there. I'm up there.
how are ya?
Wait, Maddox, if you die and try to reach for the light.
How much coins do I have, by the way? Hello! Okay.
185. I have 200. Come on.
So, Jayden, if you're watching this, good. Please subscribe.
Wait, what, Maddox?
Oh, heck no. I'm going over here. Did you die here?
Wait, Maddox, did you just end the video? Oh. No, you have to reach for the lights when you die.
Freaking glitchy. Look, I'm gonna do this one. Woohoo! Guys, look, watch this. Aaron, dive, Aaron. Go like this.
Bro, I gotta restart my Oculus.
How much coins I have? 190, almost 200. That's really good. That's really good. Dogs. No, it's bad. I just like to go outside because it's really fun. Yeah. So Aaron apparently had to restart his Oculus because glitched. So yeah, it kind of apparently glitched. So yeah. Watch this, guys.
Maddox!
Yeah?
I'm coming back. My Oculus button was stuck.
Oh, look who's here. Alright, Aaron, let's go somewhere. I want to get out of this.
Wait, my volume's at 100. Wait, Maddox, come here.
Okay.
Go to settings and turn reduce.
Yeah, let me reduce.
Go turn this.
There.
Look, now come here. Let's see what it's like.
Okay.
Bro,
What? Bro,
this is the default.
it's so dark. Samaya, are you there?
Come on.
Okay. Well, we keep going back. Why do we keep going back? Wait, no, never mind. I hear a heartbeat. Bruh.
You gotta die! Yo, I'm up here.
What am I doing?
You're looking up.
Well, what am I doing with my hand?
I don't know. Dude, I'm up here, but like,
Where am I in now?
yeah, turn it off.
Come on, Aaron. Wait, do I turn reduce off?
Yeah.
Okay. There.
No. Turn this off.
Okay. There. I turned it off. It's more lighter now. Was that supposed to happen?
Monkey black. Monkey.
I almost got the light.
Monkey. Yo, I'm up here.
Wait, no, I almost got it. Hold on.
Yo,
No!
you Max. No.
Amazing. No!
No, do it.
No,
You
slide off.
Max. You're a pickle.
I'm gonna come up to you. Ah! Oh! Oh my god. Calm down, Aaron. Alright, Aaron, let's go. Let's actually go somewhere. God dang, bro, you fast. Fast as Sonic the Hedgehog. Dun, 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 dun.
Yo, new area.
This is spot.
I don't remember this.
Me neither. And let's go spend the same time. What the hell was that?
No.
Why are you going so fast? Yeah, I'm gonna take my horse. Yeah. Aaron, wait up, I'm glitched. Okay, Aaron, let's go. Why are we going so fast?
Yes. Yo, stay. No, put your no. No, when you grab onto it, you have to keep your arm up.
And look, watch this.
I'm in the forbidden area.
Come down, Aaron.
Just die.
Oh. Why are we going so fast? We're always taking this great corner.
Yes. Nope. You have to reach onto this one.
Can you come down, Aaron?
But weird glitch happens to where like your light does not pop up.
I did it! I did it!
Nope. Hold on, let me die. Stay up there. Do not move.
Oh, buildings! I accidentally jumped off.
Let's go. Stay there. Come here. Then jump over here.
What the hell?
Okay, do not follow me. Yes. Now this may not work, but it's okay. Look, you see over there, you see that light? I jumped on the light. Now try to jump.
No!
Nope. Do it again, do it again.
I have to die first. Can you come down?
Come on.
Let's go die!
My light is in here.
I can't find anybody. Man, why are you going so fast? Like you're going fast like we're being chased.
Dude, how fast I'm going is the monsters are faster than this.
Same. We're like the monster speed, but I'm not really doing it. I'm just like going medium size fast.
You did it! Yo, stay! No!
No!
Come on! My light.
Oh yeah, let's go. This is like my speed, like we're just walking. I did it!
Yes! You're gonna stay here. Look, I did it from here. You're gonna jump. You're gonna... No, I missed. But you're gonna see the light.
I missed you.
There, we're good. Come on.
We're good. Frank just said, what is that? I'm gonna juke him. Yes, I did it! Never mind, I fell.
Hold on, let me die.
Me too.
You have to like jump forward onto the light.
Okay.
No!
No!
I had no clue where he was.
I did.
Come on! Jump!
Yeah, I did it, Aaron. I did it. Aaron.
Oh, let me die. Stay there. Yay! Wait, we're gonna jump somewhere, but we're not gonna be able to see.
Okay.
So here's what we can do. Hold up. Hold on, you stay there. No, I died. Doo-doo games, come on.
What the? Where are we?
Yo, it's him. Forbidden, bro. There's another forbidden area. I have no clue how we're gonna get there.
Ah! No! I just die.
What is that?
Why are you asking me that? No!
No! Die! Bro, the whole video is just gonna be us doing this.
I know.
Now, this is how I got to the forbidden area.
Wow,
Yo!
Aaron, come
Oh,
down.
bet he's gonna get it.
No! Go. Come up here. No. Ah!
Yo, Maddox.
Yeah.
Frank's gonna be in for the first ever time we get Frank in a video.
Aaron, look, watch this. Come here. Aaron, can we go back to the tunnel, Aaron? Can we, like, actually go somewhere?
Forbidden area.
Okay,
There's another one.
let's go.
Yo, Frank.
Aaron, I'm on top of the lamp again.
Yo, okay, can you... We download the game?
Well, how do you spell it again?
Like this.
I have 200. 120. Only like a few.
Picture should be like a weird red monkey. Or like the picture is, 3 white monkeys with the scary ones behind them.
Whoa, that is terrifying.
Do you have it? Download it.
Yeah, I'm downloading it.
And then you're gonna be at a computer.
Aaron, look.
The keys will be glitched,
Aaron,
but
come-
all you gotta do is just click rooms and
to
they'll be
me.
normal.
Come to me.
All right.
Come to me. Look,
Well,
Aaron, look,
for
you
the
know-
meantime-
you know Deku
for the
from,
meantime-
My Hero from Fortnite.
We're also recording, but
Aaron.
might have to end the video here, so goodbye.
Wait, Aaron, look.
Bye-bye.
This is Deku Smash from My Hero from Fortnite. Sura. Hold on, let me do that. Sura.
Bro, we gotta end the video, Maddox.
All right, guys. So today will be today.
Next video, Frank will be here tomorrow.
yeah, that'll be it for today's video. Plus, we're gonna be playing Big Scary again tomorrow. Please don't forget the YouTube app, like and subscribe. And the shout out goes to Jello equals Jayden Galvan, which is my cousin. So I hope you're watching this video because I know you are.
Bro,
Hope
no.
you guys enjoyed that video. Bye bye.